Junkin Fool over here in Pourville. Yeah, we're going to try our wire stripper out. Let's see if we can get a good spot. If you want to see the ceiling, that would be it. We don't really want to see the ceiling. So, and I'm trying to actually use one of these Walmart tripods. I use this most of the time, well, sometimes when I'm watching videos. They're like $2.50. I've got the other one that broke after I tried to move it a little bit. Let's see if I can get this thing adjusted so we can actually see the video. Everything look good? Junkin Fool over here in Pourville. We're going to strip down some old, strip down some old jumper cables. Got a little button up here, you push on it. I had it set for a little bit smaller stuff than that. I didn't readjust it, but let's see what happens there. Nice bear brake. This is so twisted it makes it hard to strip down because it don't follow straight. I got some stuff that'll work better, but and it's kind of, I don't know if anybody can see me mess with this or not. I haven't used this in a while. They work pretty good once you get them set right, but there's one piece. Oh, that should go as bare bright. Pay attention to what I'm doing. I'm going to just run it through twice because it gave me such a hard time last time. Okay. Someplace I got gloves in here, which makes it better when you're pulling on it. Another chunk. Good piece there. That's the way we want it to work, not quite with it. And actually I got my trash can upside down, got some stuff sitting on it. Some of it. I think I paid like $160, I think, or something for this wire stripper. And first load of copper I did was like $400 or something. It's been a while. It doesn't do the small stuff real good. You can do it, but you got to kind of fight with it. bigger you do, the better it is. Of course, the bigger stuff's got the money in it anyway. This knob here adjusts the tension on it. You got to get a pretty good tension. And I knew this wire is going to be a little difficult. It's so curvy, I cut it up with a bolt cutter. And if you just drop it on the floor like that, you're trying to grab the ones that are already done half the time because you can't tell they've been done. Lose a little bit of copper coat on the floor. Sometimes if these are too bad, I just cut this off with the bolt cutters and then start over the little pieces. Shorten them right up. Hope you can see that all right. Now, if you watch them, you go through, you can see sometimes it'll miss a spot. I buy this stuff up, recycling type stuff, and I figure someday it can all be resold. Ain't like I'm losing any money on this stuff. Usually I buy it where I can make a few bucks off it anyway, so. This is about the same size, maybe just a little smaller. Maybe a little bigger. That's what you call too tight to. Doing a different grade of wire, so I got to get this set a little bit. Different thickness. Not too much. So when I'm doing wire, I try to stick with close to the same size. Then if I'm doing smaller wire, I'll adjust it a little smaller, get a pile on it, so I ain't got to keep jumping back and forth. I can see it not catching the wheel when I go through here. Sometimes. It's almost like it's a little faster, and it's got that curve, so it's hard to control. You got to really get your eyes up there. I just got a wire sliver in my hand. You can see it kind of butchered it because it ain't set just right. But these are some of these. Yeah, these are all jumper cables so far. There's actually a spot when it feeds through here that if you ain't careful, it'll go right into the motor winding that needs to have like a deflector on it, or even a piece of tape. It's supposed to cool it, that's why that's open like that, keeps the motor cool. I've been putting on here the first time I used it, I run some motor right into the armature. Like anything else, don't usually get around to it. Got a million projects going. That one's got some, that's corrosion in there. No wonder why them jumpers don't work. Got a shut off there, so if you screw it up like that, back it off again. the jumpers weren't working, and that's probably why I wasn't getting good connection through them. I've got so many pair of jumpers around here. I usually just keep them like 2-foot pieces, give or take. Easier to control it. That's what they tell you to cut it down a little bit. I've run some really long ones through here before. That one went through nice. What do we make? 324 the other day on them rims and stuff. And our copper coolers. Copper AC coolers. I figure it's easier to clean the yard and process metal, or clean the garage and process metal at the same time. Got the wood stove going, but it ain't warm in here. A little hard on the thumbs though. Look in there and see when it's going to come apart really good. All right. I hear the wood stove crackling. Good stuff. Let's see if I'm going yet here. Hey, we're still going. Hopefully you've seen some of that. So this is the Junkin Pool over here in Porterville. Just kind of did a little demo on my wire stripper. I know there's quite a few people got them on the YouTube, and some guys don't mess with it or don't need them or whatever, but I don't know. It's fun to play with some of this stuff. And I don't even know what the name brand of this thing is. I'm sure it's made in China. So yeah, I'm kind of watching that virus thing that's going all over, and I know China's pretty much shutting right down, so we got to watch our prices and if they get that thing settled, because ain't going to be buying nothing. So that's made in China. I'm sure. So this is a Junkin Pool over here in Porterville. Just playing around, trying to get some of the yard or garage cleaned. And I did find another set of jumpers here. I gotta cut them apart if I can get to them. And the problem with these ones, they got that piece there, so that's why you have a problem with them. They're curled. You split that down the middle, and it tends to mess with a wire stripper. This, you could still do it. I just did one, but so I'm going to dig some more stuff around out here today and keep on the processing. And what they tell me, copper was $2.05 for number one, or $2 for number 2. Then I got this is all copper. I'm going to strip this down today. You just got to do the smaller or more tension on it. So I got them cut about the right length. I've been digging my stuff out of this corner. I'm still looking for my air chisel and some other stuff. And I got so many projects going. I might have left it in a vehicle, but I've been out looking at them, and things just disappear over here in Porterville. Well, thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody's having a good day. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And go find some junk, or find a project, or just have a good day. Thanks for stopping by. Goodbye now.